Hello, I'm Sanzi, it's Gossip Girl. I watched the latest episode of Nandi's reality show and I noticed something interesting. To me, Nandi seems very defensive. She has emotionally checked out, she has closed off, and she is not sympathetic. On the latest episode, she went to Maboneng for her DJ lessons, later met with her best friend Soso. During the conversation, Soso opened up and said she feels caught up in the middle of Nandi and her husband. She explained that Nandi often leaves her matrimonial home and stays at her house for 2 days whenever they have problems. She also said their marital issues are starting to affect her. Instead of understanding where her best friend is coming from, Nandi stood up and said, "Let me make things easier for you. I won't bother you with my problems anymore. You know nothing about marriage. Are you married?" Then on Monday, Nandi repeated the same statement on Facebook, even spoke about it during a live video. What do you think is happening with Nandi? Is she rebelling because of her marital problems, financial problems? Is she overwhelmed with parenting 7 kids and having to be a breadwinner? And then right now, whoever is trying to show her her mistakes from her part, because she's not innocent to the party either. You know, the husband can be many things, can be a crybaby, but Nandi's not innocent either, Mzansi. Her character is very questionable, and she's throwing tantrums at the one person that is very tolerant to her. So you know, she udira the holiday giveaway, warm support in all sorts of manner. But for her to lash out like that, so I thought, because you know what, the reality show, it aired, let's say maybe 3 or 4 months back. We're only seeing it now. Okay, maybe that was then. But to show what that thing, it affected their friendship, she still went ahead on Facebook and repeated the same words. How long have you been married? Do you know anything about marriage? I'm like, Nandi, really? You're crashing out on the one person that is supportive of your flaws and everything that has to do with you.
Molweni, guys. Molweni, right? Mind the way to this problem. And I don't care. I guess it's the joys of some chatting. Say relax. Like we can afford to relax. We've put in a lot of work. We've put in the best years of our lives. So too man is kokomoy, you know. So anyway, I'm doing my walks up and down. Nitimina, guys, ladies, intanga zam, intanga zethu. In the past 18 years, in the past 18 years, how many sexual partners have we had? It's a simple ask. And the comment section in the Lindele numbers. Lindele numbers. So when dibuza ugalela nocangana or ubusiza net defense ukwathini with your chest out in Dasakai. In the past 18 years, I've been I've been by so many guys, yabo. And ke ngoku ndinomdla wakwazi because bale post must ndibuza the same question. Namhla, wrong answer, baby girl. Wrong answer, sithando sam. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10, my love. When I beg a number, I'm not talking now in the past 18 years. That's all I'm asking. Out of interest sake. And you judge, my love. When I going to judge, okay? About my marriage or whatever I'm judging, now I want to know. Interest sake, but Jamba wouldn't go judge shoot. Yeah, Johnny or judge shoot. Is this sense gang, babes? That's what I want to know. Even over with saying, but in the past 18 years, we're single woman. Single woman. How many men have you slept with? And for no visa or take it a notch high. How many kids you've had in the past 18 years? From how many men? I won't go there. Kaben and Jelle. Kaben and and go any has an impact to say on. As you guys are judging. Salon Baltaluba. Jamon the judge. When I blame it, Jolo Yako, 100 in the past 18 years. Because that will learn to know with this. nokuyibiza inamba. Fine. Yintoni like obona ebomini bakho ba okay, let me jolo have contributed, like at a value ebomini bam. I'll be reading a comment. I also want to know what let me jolo 12011. What yintoni edileyo to your lineage as a woman okanye ikhona into nothi ngoku xa solixhekwazi like imijolo yam indincedile okwahamba ndilala kwam has contributed immensely in my life, in the legacy of my children, indincedile, and my children are now going to be better persons because of now. Yeah, in the past 18 years I've shown them a couple of guys. They've met Uncle so and so. I'm here to learn, hey? We learn every day. And I'm here to understand umvuzo wobuhule. So I'm in the past 18 years when buhula. And now you pride yourself ngokuhula. It's fine. Zipride ngako but khasifundisa enzela ba sizofundisa nabantwana bethu if ukhona into ebhadlileyo echolekayo ekuhuleni. If ikhona lessons or like kukhona i-benefits zokuhula, please man, do share. But do share the benefits zokuhula after you've shared how many guys in the past 18 years, whether you've dated, and then uchaze over how they have contributed to your lineage as a woman. Because ke ngoku ayoba wakubheja ngemali ezinkulu kwathi nemoto whatever sizawuphela ezazinto. Sithetha ngento mna ezaba ilegacy nasezintsaneni zakho. You understand? Sithetha ngelineage into ezothi yaqala apha. Remember, even your daughters, they're taking notes. Le nto yiyo, they're going to become that. Bakhuliswa nguwe mos. Le nto uyenza phambi komntana wakho intombazana uzakwenza yona because that's what's normal. Ubo they don't know any better. Children become what they see. So we can hear about defensive independent. Asiyili bantase. I just want to know umvuzo obuhule xa. Feel sister you we're stage. Because ngoku le nto nisenifuna kuyipromote nasebantwaneni. Aseqiwa istage for kuthatha nonsense. Bese istage aseqiwa. Khopha umvuzo obuhule. Apha ngeqini stage. Uthi umvuzo obuhule. Because namadoda sesifika nje athi cefu ahambe. Ile ndlela siphethe. Sesimilo sakho sinamathumba. Sesimilo sakho sinamathumba. Uhamba uthukana nabafazi abatshatileyo. Uhamba uthukana nabafazi abakhutshelwa ilobola. Kwasuka amaxhego amadala. Otata abadala, abantu abadala. Basuka owabo umfana. Hamba otsho le ekhaya. Kwenegotiatewa ilobola. And then uzothukwa yinto angazange akhutshelwa nayo nebhokhwe etyatyazayo. Kuzothukwa umtshato wakho. Yinto angazange ikhutshelwe nebhokhwe etyatyazayo. Make it make sense. You guys, your minds are so twisted, eh? You guys are so twisted. You make sense of nonsense. You make sense of nonsense. And then you expect all of us to make sense of your nonsense. You expect us to make sense of the kaku pillar because upilikaka ndasekhaya. Upilikaka, that's why you can't even say it with your chest out. You can't even say it with your chest out. But you know, in the past 18 years, ndijole namadoda amanga. Fine ungabisandiphendula mna kakade andikhathalelanga, uyabonisa? Angazi nokwazi. So ungandiphenduli njalo, it's fine. But khawenza self introspection. I guess lo mbuzo ndiwubuzela uba uzibuze wena. Uba uphi umvuzo obuhule, sithando sam. Uphi umvuzo wakho? Because mna ke in my toxic marriage osana lam ndiyawubhalela uxwebhu. Yabona ndingabhalela uxwebhu mna ngolungwini nge-benefits zoba inkosikazi yomntu. Yabo ndingakubhalela uxwebhu. Yabona ndithatha ngeepiyers zam ezijaja umtshatweni. Nawe uba you've got a lot to say. And for that matter, any mtshato. Because you see, another thing about the single adults. Single adults, they have a lot to say about imitshato. You guys have so much to say about imitshato. And I'm like, what do you have? Are you talking from a point of reference? Because when a point of reference to stop talking about imitshato. You know? Stop talking about something you know nothing about. You want to talk about parenting? Sure, we can talk about parenting. Even then, the parenting, khona apho mna nawe sizohamba sihambe intetho zethu zingadibani. Singathetha nge-parenting as mothers. Because this is mothers, whether you're a single mom or you're a married mom. Bottom line, mom, right? Even then, sizawuthetha kuzawuhamba kuhambe ube nomda lo conversation kamama osingle nomama otshatileyo. Nasi. So, angizazi ukuba ndisebenza guys on my glutes and legs. Azizi mahala. Ithanga elisobha lizi mahala. Lasetyenzela. So, I feel like let's refrain from talking. Now I can never advise umuntu osemjolweni ngomjolo. Yabona? Ndizoza ne-advice mna yasemtshatweni. That's why ke ngoku siphela sinamankara aloyal emijolweni. Anyamezela emijolweni. Because sithi I take full responsibility. Sinabantu batshatileyo siyathanda ukuze asizenzi nisixolele futhi nalapho. Asizenzi, it's because kaloku thina sikule committed relationship where we are building. And then when a good relationship where you are joking on love affairs, you are joking on love affairs. So me and you, we are on a different spectrum. So, so in a nature is that umuntu must stay in their lane. Yabo, anocebisa ngomjolo. Ndingajoli. Ndisemtshatweni. Nawe unongicebisa ngomtshato. Nditshatile. Usemjolweni. Uyabona? Wena iseyijoke yonke le nto yenzayo. Because kumjolo ke it's a joke. Usekwijoke. Hlekani bandase. Nidlale nangeendawo zokuchama kwezi joke zenu. Uziqomba ubhadlile naxa uzawucinga uba ibhadlile into yenzayo ukuba semjolweni. You know? Ndiyayeka ke tana. But I feel like I need to keep going. But anyway, qhubani nijaje imitshato yethu sinijongile. Sinijongile otherwise. Nijajeni. But I just want you to know that sinijongile, it's just that we're so caught up with serious stuff. Kaloku nasemitshatweni, we are spoken for. Sikwi covering. You know, a man is a covering. Akathali noba ungacinga uba wena xa umjongile useless kangakanani. Kum, that's my covering. However, one of the reasons mna I will gladly walk around half naked because I know I'm covered. And the covering that you are making up for by ukunxiba izikeyiti ezirhuqisa okanye covering up, you think that gives you steam. It doesn't. That's how uzofika uthukisele abafazini abahot and happening. Because why? Ethi covering is ayiyo le nto ucinga uba yiyo. Kaloku wena you have to camouflage uzenze njengathi unesidima. Unxiba urhuqise singaboni ubuhule bakho. Both we fool some men into thinking alone. Sibe sikwazi mzala. Sikhula nawe sakwazi mzala. Wena ungarhuqisa gquma amabele akho. You still know isidima wena unaso. Nenkazana engenasidima. Udibane nomthina sana. Udibane nomthina ufike sinxibe i-bum shorts. Yayiva, sinxibe i-bum shorts. This, my baby, is a covering. This is a covering. A man who went to my father's what? Lo, umenza inkosi. Kazi. Inkosi, kazi. yabo adibane nawo umfana unxibe crop top esana unethathu nantoni because ke mna unye nam it's not like ezinto nzenze udibane nam ndinje benethathu had my belly ring I had waqonda there's something about this woman she is clothed in strength and dignity anga half naked ngokwehlala elinyama but she is clothed in strength and dignity and that's something no cloth will ever give you to and my daughter don't be fooled by women or ukhuqisayo ucinga uba unesidima I know ne umakhosazi abefundisa sokusini akhuqisa umuntu abethe ngesikate esiseqatheni hayi aziyekelele abe nywabunywabu engakaya because uzama ucover up ubuhule bakhe as if people won't say ubuhule bunomoya uyalibona ihule nditsho lime hey noba lingathini lizawuvela ukuthi you are what you are. You are what you are. Sifika thina because we don't need to prove a point. As I've no point to prove. Uba believe uba I'm a good woman, I'm a good wife. Into endiyaziyo, where it matters, kuyaziwa the kind of wife I am. Where it matters, and who does that matter to? It matters kulo wa 10 at 20 at 25. Hello boy. Yeah. Now that person uyu umuntu engikhathalele uba uyandibona. Have you ever asked yourself why is he still around? Wahamba waphinda wabuya why? Because kaloku uyanazi uba nirhuqisa nje iwesa amahula sewisile afika bewunduza. Let's remember we can't see through them. We see right through you, babes. We see right through you. And amadoda sewisile anikobela. That's why benganitshati. Anikobela. The covering you need. Khakuzithanda ube inkazana enesidima. Empa inkazana enesidima. Khawuyeka uhamba uvavanya imatrasi zabantu. Yabo? Khakuye emzini. Uyozingcolisela imatrasi ezintsha njengami. Yabo niyakhuleza amatrasi. Nanizihleka. Zimdaka. They tell a story, baby girl. They tell a story. They tell a story about we've raised a family. We've got kids who are happy, who are exploring, who will go and jump on their beds. They tell a story. But usisifebe ngeke uyazi ibhedi yakho iclean because kaloku wena uzala ubagoduse. So there's no kid around you ozongcolisa. Yes, and then you think it's a badge of honor uba the men you prostituting yourself to bazaba impress ibhedi yakho iclean. Ewe kunyanzeleke ibe clean. Kaloku wena unyawushi. Tina, we are building a legacy here. A name that will but one thing I know, the name yomyeni wami yaziwa nilapha nje because niyazi ngokuba uMlombi is. You even know the name Lombi. For me that is, yes, there's no money can buy that, eh? Oh, no money can buy that. There are doors that are going to open for my kids because ngabam. Not because ndinemali onditheni ngabam. Bazalwa ngumfazi yasemabheleni. So guys, again into ukuthi gapha emitshatweni yethu. Sayazi into senzayo. You understand? Sayazi into senzayo. But you won't understand because every 6 months when itshintsha amadoda, uthi usajonge uba what can we build nalo mfana? It's so busy. Ubona omnye nobuilder naye. Umtshina ubambi, ubufebe bayicutha ingqondo. Nasi bayicutha ingqondo and you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. And andizothi it's up to mina uba nitshate or not. However, isimilo sakho and how you carry yourself is up to you. That's entirely up to you. Jonga ndibaleka amanzi emqolo. Ndilwe ne-green pepper. Ndilwe ne-green pepper. Iimfundo ezine-green pepper. Kanje mba sikhula. Funny things are happening to our bodies. Kubhizi, kutricky, kuwabo. Nenyama nje ongazaziyo uba zivelaphi. Especially xa uzele. But anyway, khona ngihlale lana. That's it. Yo. You don't have to fight for your life like this. I have to. Guys, nanoba ndingatyeba kanjani. but I'm obsessed with the leg game. It has to make sense. Everything can go south, northwest. Oh, but my legs, man, because you understand? And another thing I've learned about is Febe. You guys think because Nina impress that every woman is doing the same thing. We're not. We are not. Some of us just like looking beautiful because it's therapeutic for us. It's good for our mental health. So when because you assume uba a female evasileyo uvasela amadoda. We don't. Zange ndavasela kwandoda ke. Oko ndavasela ndisavasela mna namhlanje. And ke ngoku my husband is a beneficiary of ukuvasa kwam. You know, he's admired by many men. But you are such a beautiful wife. Like uklini. He's admired by many. Even amadodeni, they spell well. Okay, you won't know. Amadodeni, they spell well. Anijongile nje. Ndakuzalisa umntana oyi-1, you let go. Uhlalela ukuthi uzothukana nathi sisemitshatweni. And also niyeke nalento hle competition nemitshato. No two marriages are the same because achatanga nabantu abafanayo. Nathi singafani. You know, akho female ifana nami. Akho ndoda ifana noZola. Therefore ayikwazeki kuba ke ngoku sibe nomtshato ozofana nokaSithe noSitha. Tell impossible. Wathi ufunani na wena? Wathi unyuka kuxola izulu lasemthatha. Ulahlekile. Uthe ngasishwa imbala namhlanje. Unobushwa imbala nje okuthile. Ithi into yakhe akagqokisana ubrothers. Unobushwa imbala. Unobushwa imbala nje okuthize. Lesa join ekhaya. Awokhe apha. Sibe healthy. Nathi naxa efumana unondatshaza azomtshata. Kube noko. Andiyaphuma mna. Dini. Lesa naye andijoyina. Si-exercise azofumana unondatshaza. Ozoba attracted kuye engubheyi. Kubona. Ndibile. Anxulanga ngebhodisi. Oh guys. Udino indoni? Shi adadineke. Akayiklina akafunga kwenza kwanto ke guys. Akafunga kwenza kwanto. Sakho nto indinileyo. Awundi indinileyo indiklina ngoandi. Walk at least steps nyuke. Hello Sissy. Can you ask Uncle Terry to pour me water? Yes, in the pink big cup. Ngensela amanzi. But anyway, I can't deny ngochuku. But phake nifike man ku stage where ukuzibuza wena before you point fingers komunye umuntu, ne? Uzibuze nje wena. Kuba how is my life? Khona omnye sana bekandithuka last week. But ndafakelwa i-message ngaye ba yo girl ukuthukayo. That's rich coming from her because usona. And I was like, maybe you guys need to start doing self-introspection. You need to look at ubomi bakho. Uyeka because ngoku I think niba triggered man zezinye izinto. Remember mina emtshato nami I've experienced different men in the same man. I know that will make sense to you because you go and look for the personalities or characters ufumana in different men. I've experienced different men in the same man. I've got 7 baby daddies. Yes, nabana by 7. Okay, 6 because I'm aware they were born at the same time. I've got 6 baby daddies, and the reason for that is with every pregnancy and every birth, both of us have been different people. We've been at different stages of our lives and in our growth. Like, it's inevitable. We've been different people. Now I'll find in a lobungu last times again. So I always say I've had 6 different baby days, but with the same man. Mina ke Thomas Nicola kubona. Nekuhambe wavavanye wonke lamadoda. Kuyakwazeka guys to experience at different kinds of relationships in the same relationship. The toxicity you resonate with in my marriage is the same toxicity you've experienced in another guy. You've experienced that toxicity. The toxicity, you actually resonate. That's why we take gap because you have to garish ukumbuza omnye umfana ujola naye. Show you the same things. Oh guys, sikukhumbuza okanye we are at a stage esikukhumbuza some guy wakhe wajola naye. Or abafana sikhumbuza some girl wakhe wajola naye. But ke some of us are disciplined. We are experiencing yonke lonto in the same relationship. You understand? That's why mna ndikholela kwinto yokurenewisha ii-vows emtshatweni is because laa mntu ndandenze i-vow naye ngo-2009, he's not the same man today. He's not the same man today. And so I need to make a conscious decision to choose him every year. It's a choice. And I commit to him every year. It's a choice. It's a choice. You understand? Yes, it's the same onesie. Sundidina, ungandibuza i-onesie endenze ku-vacation. Kakade bendiye ngayo. When have you never been emjolweni where you are like, niku-stage nikuzo ukuze uphela umjolo uyiphelelani imijolo yena because isuke i-reache some stage. Yabo? Ezi ngoku nizenza ingathi anizazi nizozenza clever ngathi. No, nizazi kakuhle. It's just that Tina, we made a vow. And guys, when you go to people's weddings, can you listen to the vows they make? I don't even think abantu abatshatileyo actually listen to themselves when they... Guys, if ukhona abatshati kule live, please go read your wedding vows. Go and read the wedding vows, what you vowed to. Thank you, Mama. Go and read the vows you vowed to. Esasivumelwano wasenzayo phambi kwamfundisi amangqina ifamily yakho. Every year make it a point ukuhamba nanzithini kanye because kaloku at that time stress, you've spent money, there's a lot going on. Ingathi nalito ithethwayo awuvisisi so ulandela nje emva kwamfundisi because it's procedure. Khawuyofunda i-vows. Khawuyozimamela uba wawusithini. Le khawuthi wazifaka kuyo. Hamba ufunda i-T's and C's zayo. I don't think people listen to wedding vows. Like even nabakhona, they don't listen. The way you guys will come back here and ku social media uba decide to be couples mazohlukane zithini wedding vows up. Did they not say till death do them apart? Into ngokuwana xa uzofika apho uzokhongotha usithi no uzibani mabadivorce. Is everything okay? Asikuzala pho. Asimzala. Zange ndabona futhi kubhalwe i-small print or fine print kwilantika because our wedding vows kuthiwa no, in case of, as long as we're happy, a vow to stay till death. Ningamageza nini. Ningamageza. Umtshato, it's not for people abasafuna ukujoker on love affairs. If wena usafuna like une-T's and C's as to no, we're going to build when he does this or he does that, or when she does this or she does that, then marriage is not for you. And umntana ifana ne-cult. Yabo? Nditsho nabaphumileyo bayazazi babaphuma but usenomntu asambiza ngo-ex-wife. Useyi-wife yakhe except ubeke i-prefix engu-ex before. Useyi-wife yakhe except now there's a prefix ngoba ngu-ex-wife, ex-husband. Yi-cult. Nokohlula kukufa. Hamba uyigooglisha, ngena kuGoogle if awuyazi. Go read i-vows. Go read them. Go and read them. Usuke nje ungene kwi-cult wasani i-contract. Kubona eza movies asizivukela singabantwana zoPopeye. You sign your life away, you sell your soul. Yayazi la. Iyazifanela xa yona yenziwa pretty, inxitywe kakuhle, kube needekho, like uspende imali, but in actual fact wethu usuke uyosana ye-soul away. Yabo? Kodwa sisa, I wish you could respect uRev noba niyalwa kodwa umsuka khona ku-wrong. I'm assuming, I can see vividly profile picture yakho, I'm assuming utshatile. Kuma emtshatweni wami, it's between me and him. You understand? Uhoye lo wakho because nam I wish le ndoda yakho ingakurespecta. Le yenza ihambelana nabantwana, that's not on. Siyakwazi mzala sikhula nawe. I wish your husband could respect imizi yamanye amadoda ehambelana nabantwana abaninci. tell him to stop it. And asena umtshato wakho ingxaki zakho zingaka zikanakana uningi there by your house sufuna nthethe uningi. There's a lot going on. Focus on that. Focus. Because another thing, nani bantu abatshatileyo nithe gabhu emitshatweni yabantu while imitshatweni ichitheka, yabo. Yona loo ndoda ufote nayo ihlala iscrolle, he went to my pictures. So hoya umtshato wakho, babes. He went to abantu abafana nathi, you understand? So utheni okanye mhlawumbi ufuna umlombi ufuna ukuza ngapha because ufaka indoda there by the waist. No, phumani emitshatweni yabantu. Andikhathanga noba utshatile na, phumani emitshatweni yabantu. Wena uya lo wakho, you understand? Uya lo wakho. If wena ihlonipha indoda nawe ihloniphile, kudos. But le yakho, no babes. Kamanzi nosisi, kamanzi serious ufuna ubona? Siwona. Phumani guys kwi-relationships zabantu, phuma very fast. You understand? Phuma very fast. Indawuqala wena indoda akwaziyazi noba ngubani. Masiqala apho. Asikwazi wena noba ungubani, wena indawuqala. Yami indoda yaziwa continental, Africa. Eyami indoda yaziwa. You understand? Eyami indoda he sits at tables. Uhlala namadoda amakhulu. What have you done for your husband? Sisishwayimane singazaziyo. Efuneka sivuke sikarabha ama-gumboots siyosebenza kwamlungu. Phumani guys emitshatweni yethu because xa sendinixelela izigaqa zenu bangathi ndim umntu omli kanti ndim nini enindiqalileyo. Phuma emtshatweni wam, phuma. I am my husband's choice. Do you get what I mean? I am that choice he makes every day. Every day he makes the choice. But I still choose this wife. Every year uchoose mna. Ungenaphi wena babes? Ungenaphi nendoda yakho sesishwayimbanzi? Ungenaphi nendoda yakho sesishwayimbanzi? Kwa umfazi ohambe ejingisa amabele emitshatweni yabantu, sis usaqakeni ucacile waxola ihule kwayiloo ndoda because uthi ube vested nje uba une-wish for umyena, ude wane-wish wane-feelings for umyena mqabe kutheni bubufebe. Yes my love, okay, bubufebe babes. Phuma nje emtshatweni yabantu. Thank you so much Zama. Phuma nje yithi ufuna uphatha i-red pen emtshatweni nam uzibuze uba how is it with my marriage. Wena umqamelelo wakho umanzi ukhaliswa yindoda. Sithule zana kwa business. Niyayazi mina, niyayazi eniyakhayo, yaba, niyayazi eniyakhayo, uyayazi oyinyamezeleyo, yaziwa nguwe. Asingene ndawo iyeke nayo umlombi uyayazi into ayinyamezeleyo izithuko zam, you understand? Yaziwa nguye nama ndiyazi yaziwa nguye. But awuzuzondilawula uba how I should wife because indawo oqala ndiyo netype yomyeni nakho. It's like for me, you want me to wife how you wifing and you are wifing to your husband. Remember, even the Bible says I will make a suitable helpmate for him. When you are a suitable helpmate for your husband, I'm a suitable helpmate for my husband. The mere fact that you're going to come with your standards of wifing, ithi loo nto ucinga uba laa nto utshate nayo mna ndingawayifela yona undiqala kakubi. Kaloku sisishwambane singaziwa noba ngubani. Why would I? If bekuthiwa ndisebomini bakhe, that could never be him. I'm that wife mna. If umyeni wami wants to be a president, I would make him. That's the kind of wife I am. Now umyeni wakho usishwambane because it's the kind of wife you are. You understand? Focus my love. Kaloku bingwa ewe siya-co-parenta kakade and ndizothi ngumyeni because ubuphi ngoku ndithi okusalayo once ungena emtshatweni you'll always be umyeni. You'll always be like ndisazokuthiwa yi-ex-husband yam. Ex-husband, what is a husband in isiXhosa? Yintoni husband? Noba ngatshata nophi unondinda that's my ex-husband, that's the father of my children. Umna njengoba lizibazana kwimigidi yabantwana bam, you understand? New wife or no wife, okusalayo and i-divorce ayikho. I-divorce ayikho esiXhosa, ndizange ndayiva. Xa umzekelo ngoku mna ndandiwife kwabizwa amadoda amadala kodwa makayondilanda eThekwini, you understand? Ayondilanda e-KZN, yabo. Akhwela ibhasi shema amaxhego abantu ayotsho le e-KZN sothathwa nokuthiwa ndinguwife. Angababoni ke befika nditsho noba siyadiba sobe sizenzela nje into yethu, but elam ingcwaba is there by his house. Yabo, elam ingcwaba is there by his house. Ndingumama wabantwana bakhe, so ikhaya labo, ikhaya labo. Aloo ndathatha ndaba intombi kaMlombi, nditsho sendidivosile noba remarry makayazi ngolandelayo uba ndizoba ngumlombi bani. If akathandi makafuthele, because kaloku ndizoconfuse abantwana bam sithi besibiza isename eyi-one sonke jikijiki ngoku umama sebiza enye isename, so I'm still gonna keep his surname. You understand? That's why ndisathi mina yayiva. Hey, but guys, abantu mabaphume ngokwi-relationship zabantu ukucima ndizawuzenza clever. When utshatile awutshatanga. Focus. You guys are losing focus. Nithe gaphu. Thank you, Kosi. And especially imiwife ayifani sana lam. A suitable helpmate ayifani. I-suitable helpmate ye-security ne-suitable helpmate yomfundisi azizofana. And even njengabefundisi, i-suitable helpmate kamfundisi uMlombi ayizofana ne-suitable helpmate kamfundisi Mhlomi. I'm making an example because they're my friends. I-suitable helpmate kamfundisi Mhlomi ayizofana ne-suitable helpmate kamfundisi uMlombi. These are different men. Yes, they have a calling of word and sacrament, but they are individuals. So what they need as impilweni zabo azizofana as well. You understand? So stop trying to Bluetooth abanye bafazi with how you are wifing. You are suitable helpmate for esishwemba mtshate nazo. Nathi we are suitable helpmate for ezethu isishwemba. You understand? Stop trying to impose your ways of wifing on anyone. No Adam, no Eva. Whoever was a suitable helpmate for whoever. I don't think ulantu uzolu bezo survive chatting no Eva. Just my thought. I don't think people will survive. But if you Menzela is suitable helpmate, Lindy, with flaws and all. I'm suitable for him, not for you, not for your brother, not for your father, not your uncle, not your husband. I'm not a suited out on him because the mere fact that you're going to impose wife you actually think I'm compatible na leka kuthathe naye. No, I'm not. I am not. The suitable for law. And we have 7 beautiful kids. I saw the change ngabethu. Ayijiki mntaza. Ayijiki sizoba ngabazali nje bantwaneni bethu. Divorce no divorce sizoba ngabazali gogo. Phumani ekufuneni ukudictate relationships zabantu nexa kwezezenu. Because anigoni afokofa whether usemjolweni, whether usemtshatweni nje. Guys, don't get married. Kaloku asanda kuringa ubufebe kuwe into nomani uyenza kukuhamba ukhwelwa by different men kuwe that makes sense kuwe that asanda. And you doesn't understand a shame why men no longer marry you guys with the mentality you have. Hayi son, ndinewari kwangonyana bethu because kaloku bazotshata iintombi ezikhuliswa nini with this mentality. I am so worried about sinonyana abazotshata abazotshata amantombazana akhuliswe zii-quitters because you guys have nine culture of quitting. There's now a curse of quitting ilapha kuni. You understand? And nizayisa nasezintombini zenu and bazozofratha abantwana bethu hleli nje ufuna konyana bethu mabecengana amahule wenu azalwa nini akhuliswa ngala anini. Do you get what I mean? Because kaloku quitting is a culture. Isuke ekhaya. Quitting is a culture. They know ukuthi umama uzawujolana lo amzalele asiphume kuye aye komnye enze the same thing, and to the child that is normal. Uye akazenzi umntana. I can't even falter umntana. That is normal ukuthi we quit, and that quitting culture will show up in other areas. Yama wena ucimba it's just a relationship wemtshatweni kuphela. No my babes, it's a culture ezamlandela in the workplace, izamlandela everywhere. You've been married for 13 years. Wonderful. So why uzothi abantu mabangachati? Kutheni ugqirha? Ni right nososo queen. Yes, uyazi ke ndixelele i-friendships ezifana neyam kasoso let me school you. Iphantsi ifane nomtshato. like when you're serious about someone who committed with sisterhood, because I think we have a sisterhood in Nangam. So I don't do that. But ndifuna uzikondishine undimamele what I'm about to say. Yabona la friendship, it's a sisterhood. Yithathe nge-relationship yakho nesister wakho. Awubi nawo umgqomo ka-sister wakho. Ningaxabana nithi nguquma uthuli. You'll come back because you are committed to each other. You know that the relationship you have is beyond that quarrel, is beyond that misunderstanding, it's beyond that those differences. Yes, we are humans, we have differences. We have a lot of differences. If njengoba nabantu ozalwa nabo nine differences ngoku niphume esibelekweni esi-1, you are different and you will see things differently. Nizawuclasha from time to time. Not our relationship is no different from those relationships. Relationships are serious ngazo. We're actually very serious about each other. Asakhona amadoda asa. I refuse. Akhona amadoda. Akhona nasi. Into engekhoyo ngabafazi. Amadoda wona akhona shem. Oh hayi akhona amadoda. Akhona qha nawo akhuliswe ngomama aba-instilla a culture yokuthi abantu besifazane they quit. Umuntu wesifazane will abandon you. There's a culture. There is a culture. There is a culture of women who quit. I-divorces zifayilwa ngobani? Ngabafazi. Very rare ubona indoda yofayila for divorce. Ewe ke bakhona uBeyonce, andithi babekho Beyonce, but bayi-minority uBeyonce abafayilayo. Minority uBeyonce. But majority amadoda ayakhona sithando sami. Qha nawo akhuliswa akasanithembi. Phofa nisathemba nanga, both men and women, because why? Ngomnye ngapha ukhuliswa ngumama single. Ebembona xa ingasebenzi lene relationship, she moves to the next. Nale ingasebenzi, of course the relationships, they have I think a 90% chance of not working because it's two different people forging. Like a relationship between a man and a woman, it's like it's set up for failure anyway. But nguwe ozazifuna ne-life in, right? You the one ozazifuna ne-life in, and you make it work. You make it work. So uzawathinta kude kube nini because relationships are not working. You are dealing with a gender, a whole different gender. Ecinga ngendlela yayo, ebona izinto ngendlela yayo. So kakade they hard. Relationships are just hard. But the question is, why are you in a relationship? Utheni ufuna relationship to begin with? Anizazi into eniyenzayo neniyifunayo. Niyenza nje uhamba ulala for the sake of ukulala. Uhamba ujola for the sake of jola. No, he loves me. I feel good. I feel. Oh, you feel too much. You operate from a useless thing, feelings. Ningabafazi aba-operators i-feelings. Useless things. Uyayazi nawe i-feelings. Uyakwazi ungena etoilet feeling a type of way uphume sofilisha ngenye indlela. That's how temporary feelings are. Uyakwazi as a female at some point in the month ufuna ukhala uzazi ufuna ukhalelana, and then when are you operating from that? You are operating from that. How many of you are sitting on this live that have broken up with a guy that you actually could work it out? Like you guys were working. Wapuma good relationship because you are feeling some type of way at that particular time. And then you made a permanent decision. Ohlukana nomfana. Ngoku uqasele nomnye umuntu. Nguwe futhi uzokhala ngo-high stranger. Nguwe unefomo so usithi this girl is living my life. No, she's not living your life. Nguwe ubudom, you operate from feelings. How many of you are looking at your exes now and you're thinking, oh, that could have been me? Kaloku when you are operating from your feelings, a useless thing. Feelings. A very temporary. I know utoxic la mfana no waphuma kuyo. Some mfana at that particular time ube stress, ube lose umsebenzi, they lost the contract or whatever. One stress is like when you are gone, you quit. Nine culture yokukhutha ningabafazi abakhuthayo. Akho umuntu uzodependa. Amadoda they ngabantu they're very technical and bane logic. So logic yabo, if ndizawuthi ndakhana lo muntu who can quit anytime, I'm not gonna marry a woman because lo angakhutha nanini. Ogqiba umuntu afike nje mthatha nazala umntana oyi-1 just to say we at least have a child, and then ayeke kanjalo athi andifuni bantwana nam. Again, that's the mentality of putting, because you know you're not going to give birth to many children for le ndoda in case it doesn't work out. Tell nje nine-exit plan, fine prints. So how is he supposed to commit to a person who's half committed? You guys are half committed, so now they're going to half commit or not commit at all. Because you are a generation of women, eh? Mntana uvukile. Ungamoya nje wena. Ungazondika please. Ungazondika. Shi. Ungamfidi nje. Ngiyabona. Nangumuntu ezondibhora. But guys, like seriously, there's more to life than feelings and temporary gratification, you know? As it doesn't like, oh, he bought me flowers. Those are the useless things. The old you, it won't even matter. Flowers, chocolates. Ah, he brings me a bouquet. Then 100 rand. Who's the kids pay and then? No, this is a good vacation at Dubai. And then, what are you building in the long run? We seriously need to start, we need to go back to drawing board as grown-ups. Sithi abantu abadala ngo. Nalento uzenza abantwana. Ufika ucinga in like 40, 50. Ucinga usengumntana, you know what? You really need to start thinking about the old you. Unayi companion. Enizoba nezimunye, nihleli not nithumana, nenzela nithi, and passing each other the newspaper. Think about that. Think about your old self. Nabantwana benu bayakhula, they're going. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Because kaloku wena by the time uba lixhego lixhegwazi, akho relationship is solid onayo. Akho ndoda ekurespectayo uba noba ngayintoni undizalele abantwana usikhulisile isibongo sasekhaya, ukhulisile umzi wasekhaya. Nansi legacy, I can see it on feet. Athi xa bona abantwana bakhe bekhula abe like ndibazalele ngulo mfazi, you know. Wena uzokwaziwa njengalo uhamba uthuka onyana babantu sithi izinto ezingondlile. What is that? What legacy is that? Ngulo wena uzofubhitha because kukhona indoda engenaxesha lomntanakho, or abantu kukhona amadoda angenaxesha labantwana bakho. Why uzixole gwela? That's on you. That is on you. The mere fact that you are jola, ithi uyawufuna umtshato, uyayifuna companionship, then work towards finding a husband. Because if ungafuni anything to do with umtshato, ngaba wena ujola. Little toddlers